Okay, so after a little hiatus on the Bronco, you can see it's coming along, coming along. Haven't really touched it in like a week and a half or so, but now we're jumping back on it. So what we're going to be doing today is, since we're running bare electronics and Bluetooth stereo, we are going to be chopping out this dash, getting rid of the stereo, the heat, the frost, whatever that was. And we're going to be integrating our triple gauge right into it. Now, will this work? I don't know, but there's only one way to find out. So we're going to get to hacking, and as soon as we start, there's no going back. Wish me luck. Point of no return. Okay, we're back at my absolute most favorite part, welding, because I really don't know how to do it, but I am learning. So my game plan is to go through, tack this up on the outside, just get it so it's all perfectly flush, then flip it over and do most of my welding from the back side, so I don't have to really grind too much. Using these little Harbor Freight butt welders, first time ever. Brand new pack. So let's see how this goes. So here we are. We got her all welded in. And I gotta quote my buddy Steve when he says, you don't have to be a good welder, you just have to be a good grinder. So she came out nice and straight. I don't know how well you can see. Yeah, you look down. Ooh, looks good. Kevin would be proud. The back, well, you know, it is what it is. But it's all sewed together. Now we'll go through, we'll get some little USC all metal. Just fill up these little cracks. Go over about a ½ inch on each side, sand her down, and well, it's Friday. I'm gonna grab a frosty beverage. So here we are. We only have one coat of all metal on it. Got a little blemish right there, but after one coat, hey, really can't complain. Can't even see the seam, which is right here. So yeah, I'm kind of digging it. Not sure what I'm going to do with all these other buttons here. I mean, I know ignition's here, light's going to be here, stereo, cigarette lighter, two others for something, but we'll figure it out. I can put her an ashtray. I do have the glove box door. Vent can stay. So yeah, put another coat on her, sand her down flat. We should be good to go. Okay, next day here. I went through, touched up the little plate that I fabricated in there yesterday. Spent the last 4 hours or so working on the windshield because, God, I just love removing Raptor liner. So, windshield frame came out pretty good. Not gonna lie, these little channels really sucked. Used pretty much every tool that I had for sanding. And now we're gonna jump to work on this. Now, luckily, the center is not Raptor lined, but it does have some sort of rough bed liner material on it. Thinking the wire wheel on the Contour SCT should take that off. And I'm going to start stripping this. God, I hate removing this stuff. But I can definitely see why people spray it on there because it does cover a lot. So who knows what this is going to look like. Find out soon. Okay, so that was about, according to my camera, 10 minutes worth of grinding. As you can see, does a pretty good job getting inside a lot of areas. You know, there are some areas that the tool is just too big, so you have to use your little wire wheel on. But, you know, looks like it's only going to take me another 10 minutes or so. And this piece will be ready to do some repairs. I mean, really don't know what's hidden underneath all this, but we find out. A little repair here, need a little repair here, little hole here. But there ain't no hiding anything from the Contour SCT. And when I'm done, I'm gonna go back with the wire wheel on this also, which we'll circle back to that. Here it is. Final day, rolling out of Havasu. Looking at the lake. 170 miles to my next destination.